Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today, as usual, we're going to assemble this steel dump cart. So my husband went and ano, kabibili lang niya, and he has to go back again sa Lowe's naman. Binili niya sa Home Depot. So as usual, ako mag-assemble. So let's see how it goes. Meron pa akong ina-assemble dyan. Hindi ko na natuloy ito. Swing. Dapat kaso nga lang, or hindi to nagkasya yung hook. Hook eye ba ang tawag dito? Hindi ko na alam. So this one we're missing, hindi nagkasya yung isa. So nag-order yung asawa ko ng ganito. So papalitan namin to. So ina-assemble ko yan. So yeah, swing yan. Ilalagay namin doon sa baba sa may pasture land, underneath the underneath the trees. So I'll just gotta open the box first, and I'll just continue it later, guys, to show it, so I can show it to you. Okay, hold on guys, it's kind of heavy. So this is the two wheels. No lucky, I'm happy. So ayan, malambot siya. So eto yung mga parts niya. Uy, ayan. So let's show the parts. Smell coffee. Nagluluto ng coffee. Nagro-roast ng coffee yung kapitbahay namin. Yung kapitbahay namin dyan sa taas. So let's see. So I'm just gonna open all the parts. This one's just only 3 parts. How could it be? So here's the guide. So yan. So for now, yan muna guys. So pag na-assemble ko na, saka ko na ipapakita. Okay, bye. Later guys. So guys, we're on the last part of assembling this thing. Alright.
Okay.
So,
And this goes right through there. These two are lined up.
so that's you lined
Yeah,
up.
let's put a bolt right here on top. And we have one from my side. Yeah, here's the rain like the weatherman said. It start raining about 4 o'clock. Oh, this one's not fun. You know what's, well, you got little hands. So we used to say about the Japanese and whatnot. Yeah, they give us this stuff. They got their little hands, and we try to get our fat hands in there, and they won't fit. You know, they don't have a problem because they got these little hands.
Boy.
We gotta get that one in first. Can you get in the bottom? Why don't you be like your brother and tear stuff up too? He's been a bad influence on you, isn't he? You got it?
Hold on.
coming. What's that song about?
Heck if I know you're singing it.
I'm just repeating. What's coming? Okay, got it? Alright. Yeah. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna hold it up.
Where's this slide?
I forgot that one. That's what I got you here for. Alright. Let me get the thing on. Get the top. You could have figured this out by yourself, right?
Yeah.
You didn't need any help?
It's gonna take me a while.
But you could have got it. Two heads are better than one.
Got it.
Or two heads better than one.
Yeah. 4 heads would be better.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, we don't have enough nuts and bolts.
Yeah, it has to. That's all.
Looks like I'm missing 2 bolts to me.
Did you drop those bolts off?
Oh yeah, it was me. Blame the hired help. That's what you hire them for, to blame it. Well, where else does there need to be screws? Did we miss some holes around here somewhere? There's no way to put these on them. It's the same way. Doesn't matter. These have a lock washer, and that's what the lock washer does. Where else is any bolts missing? There's a bolt there. You see where else there's any?
Yes.
Those on there. So we shouldn't have put these 2 on yet, because they need to go underneath that one. Those are 2 for back here.
It's missing one.
Which one do you need? Where'd you go?
Almost done, guys. So we're on the last part already. There you go, guys. We're on the last part, so that's it. We're already done. Bye, guys. Aloha and mahalo.